Hey, let's crack a geode. This one looks good.
This is one of my favorite types of geodes. It's a crystal canyon. Comes from the Chihuahua State in Mexico, and it's very unusual. It's got a concave portion here. There's a line here which tells me that this could be a compromised cavity, meaning it... If you haven't yet, please consider liking and commenting, maybe subscribing. It would tremendously help the channel because the algorithm thinks I'm dead at the moment. But let's get cracking. Ooh! Oh, it's a really cool one. It's those very delicate little spikes.